Would you love to change your Netflix plan? If yes, then here is a guide for you. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps that you can take to change your Netflix plan. Maybe are you on basic and you want to upgrade to premium, or you are on Netflix premium and you want to downgrade to basic, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change Netflix plan, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Netflix application on your phone. So this could be Android and it could be iPhone. So it works on all operating system provided you're using the official Netflix application. Then once you open the Netflix app just like this, go ahead and click on my Netflix at the bottom right. Then here, the next thing is you want to click on the menu icon at the top right. Once you click on the menu icon at the top right, then you need to locate account under manage profiles and click on it. Now, once you click on account under manage profile, the next thing is you want to scroll down and locate cancel membership. Then click on that. Once you click on cancel membership, then you'll be taken to where to cancel your membership, pause your Netflix subscription, or change plan. Now to change your plan, go ahead and click on change plan, and here you'll be taken to where to change your plan on the web browser. Just click on copy link, then go ahead and open the browser. On the browser, paste the link you copied and then paste the link. You'll be taken to where to change your plan. Here you can see there is a mobile plan, there is basic plan, there is standard plan, which is my current plan, and then there is premium plan. Then the premium plan costs about 7,000 in my currency, and then you can have up to 4 devices. The standard plan also costs about 5,500, and here you only have 2 devices supported. Then if you want to downgrade your plan, just call me and click on choose plan and then follow the prompt. So once you click on choose plan, then you should see a prompt that has to confirm your streaming plan. Then go ahead and click on confirm. Once you hit the confirm button, then the active plan will expire and then your next plan will be migrated to the new plan you chose. So that is basically how to change Netflix plan. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.